Hey, welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use the echo filter on TikTok to add a specific sound effect to your videos that will capture the attention of viewers. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the TikTok application. If you don't, tap on the update and wait a few seconds for the application to update. When you're done, tap on the open to go directly to TikTok. After that, tap on the plus in the middle of the bottom of the screen to open the camera. You can record a new video or simply download a previously recorded one by selecting the download option. After completing this step, tap on the check mark in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the right side of the screen, you'll find various options. To see additional options, click on the arrow below these suggested options. Now find the eVoice Filters option and tap on it. Now, in the Trending section, scroll down, find the Echo effect, and tap on it. After that, tap on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. Now your video with the echo effect is ready for further steps and publication. I hope the video was interesting and helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching, friends. See you soon.